as I lay down to sleep. Wrap me in peace that's steady and deep. Let no fear steal the rest you give. In your presence I safely live. Guard my home, my mind, my soul. Let heaven's fire keep me whole. Surround me, Lord, with angels bright. Keep watch over me through the night. Cover me in light, oh holy King. Let dreams be